Welcome back to another video, guys. Straight out of content, and today's a very special video. It's really special because today I indirectly get to work with Alex from Legit Street Cars. So it's almost Christmas time, and Alex just made a video with his second video. Go check that out, Alex Legit Street Cars. He just made a second video of his G-Wagon, and in the video, he gets his computer fixed by this company called Tekkies, and I'll put them in the link in the description down below. Great company, guy Brian over there, super. These guys are like super engineers, like the Marvel level of engineering and circuitry and all this other stuff. Because I'm like, if Alex went to them and Alex put them and gave them a shout out on his YouTube channel, then these guys must be the legit real deal. Because my buddy Michael, you guys have been seeing him in a lot of my content over at Carl's Garage. Make sure you go hit that follow button over there and that subscribe button. Michael gave me a PlayStation 5, and not like the digital version, like a full-blown PlayStation 5 with the disc and everything. And he tried to start it or mess with it, and I guess something with the South Bridge or whatever. So he tried to do like a little bit of circuitry or whatever. He got into it. He's like, Carl, no, this is too much, for me. You can have it. If you can find somebody to fix it, go ahead, bro, you can have it. And I'm like, I think I got somebody. So I actually reached out to Brian at Tekkies, through the YouTube video, through one of his YouTube videos. As I went there and I was like, man, these guys are good, like really, really, really good. So I messaged him on YouTube, and a couple days later, he hit me back. So I've got the PlayStation right here. This is the PlayStation right here. Me and Mike, man, thank you, Mike. Me and Mike probably took about 10, 15 minutes bubble wrapping everything. So if you're watching this video, Brian, we bubble wrapped everything. Like, everything is perfect. This box isn't gonna move too much. I just gotta go and weigh the box, put a label on it, and ship it to Tekkies. It's actually Christmas Eve. So the day before Christmas Eve. So I'm gonna try to get this out. I'm trying to get it in 2-day ship. It's probably not gonna, I don't want it to sit somewhere too long. So I'll probably do 2 or 3 day ship, and it probably should arrive either Friday or latest of Monday. Today is Tuesday, so I'm gonna do that. I just want to make this video, this process, so super easy. I'm gonna show you guys, all you gotta do, well, for me, if you're gonna ship it to them, again, I'll put a link in the description. They actually do have something on their website where like you go there and it has all their instructions of exactly how to do it. But it's super easy. Again, they're great people, super kind. Yeah, they want to work on your stuff. That's the thing, because this is like high level stuff. And as a hobby, I already work on cars, but I am like into all this gaming and computer stuff. And then on the automotive side, we're here in Houston. We are always looking for somebody to be able to like revamp a computer or something like that. Like, that stuff is super valuable. So if me and Michael, if we got somebody, even if they are in Chicago, we can like get something, ship it up there, tell them what we need, they fix it, and then get it back. That's crazy value to us, because we're always modding cars. Well, not we. Mike is always modding cars. So I just spoke with Mike too, and Mike's excited. He's like, yeah, man, let me know. Like, I'm excited because he's always modding computers for cars. Mike is like, he can do a whole wiring harness and all this other stuff. So Brian, you might get a call from Michael. I told him to call you guys, and this is he gave me this PlayStation because he's really impressed to see how it works. So anybody who's watching this platform, go to them, hit the follow button, hit the subscribe button on all their social medias, tell them that Straight Outta Content sent you, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a label on this thing and get it shipped out. All right, so I'm here creating the label. Support at Tekkies.store. And then this is their address. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put in the dimensions on my box. Got the box right there. Gonna hook that thing up and then slap it on, head on over to UPS. I'm gonna look to see, I'm using Pirate Ship. I don't have any links to Pirate Ship or like whatever. It's just a company that we use for all of our DTF transfers and stuff like that. So definitely recommend using Pirate Ship because it's easy to just create one label and go. You don't need like an account or anything. You can just make one label and go. So I'm gonna knock that out and then head on over to UPS. All right, guys, so I got the receipt here. Leaving UPS, just dropped it off, headed over. Oh yeah, I'm all done now, so I just dropped it off. And yeah, I packaged it up. It was like $29 to ship, but I did, you gotta do ground because I didn't take the battery out. I forgot, I could have did air, but I took the battery. If I took the battery out of the motherboard or whatever, the main board, I could have did it air, but I forgot to, and I didn't want to unpackage everything just to take the battery out, so I had to do ground. So it's gonna get there 12:30. Yeah, the 30th of December. So once it gets there, we'll be good. And then, yeah, they'll get it. And I did add insurance. I added like $400 insurance because that's how much a PlayStation 5 is now from Walmart, like $399. And then I also added signature so that they have to sign it.
Make sure low voltage to be nice. Not too much, you can blow all kinds of stuff out. So,
well, and the short's so low, probably won't even.
and what it is, you sprayed alcohol in there. See if a certain area warms up. It's like the old-fashioned way of.
Oh, there it was.
And again.
Oh, right.
No, look at that. Yeah, see how it'll dry up real quick around there.
Go figure. That's where that spot is too.
Yep.
Okay.
So you see where it just dried up there? That's where the short's at.
Hey, Carl from Straight Outta Content, YouTube channel link below. We've got some good news for you. On Friday the 13th, all things, we were able to raise your console from the dead.
We'll call it Day of the Dead on Friday the 13th, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, snap. What is that?
So we'll get it put back to you and mailed back to you. And for anyone else watching, please don't mail your console in unassembled. Don't send it in pieces. It'll get more damaged like that. Make sure you reassemble your consoles before sending them to us.
Awesome. Duly noted.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So, all right. There you go, Carl. Surprise coming your way.
All right, so this is the part of the video that is very near and dear. For you guys in the video, it has been seconds. But for us, it has been weeks. Oh, Chelly's DP say hi. Hey, hey, Brian and everybody. Look at Chelly. She's DP. So it has been a very long time for us, but we're finally not just doing the apparel for them. It's a huge opportunity. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. Everything is printed beautiful, and we help them design their new logos and stuff like that for their apparel. But the star of the show, Donovan, my son, is playing the PlayStation 5. Now, he plays it too much and he's gonna burn it out. No, just jokes. But yes, so the PlayStation 5 is working perfectly, flawlessly. They were able to fix it like it was nothing. They said it was like a chip or something like that. So huge shouts out to them. We've actually been testing it and playing it nonstop. Donovan plays it a lot. I've been playing it, and yeah, it plays flawlessly. Everything works. Hard drive, nothing. There wasn't anything weird or anything like that. So we did have to buy some new controllers, and yeah, everything works. So I definitely recommend Tekkies if you need anything at all, PlayStation related or really just electronics related. Definitely go to them. Click the link in the description down below. They are truly amazing. Great, great, great people. Shelly, stop. Shelly, stop.
Tekkies, it is 11. Oh, your hands are cold.
Yeah, it's freezing.
It's 11:05 in the evening.
Yes.
We had a very busy day, so we're definitely getting this done. We're gonna press it tomorrow, so that's why I'm a little tired.
Yeah, she's super tired. But no, I just want to, I'm not even gonna end this video. I'm gonna show you guys. I thought I was gonna end it, but yeah. So hopefully you guys, I was able to save the videos of when I first sent it off and I went to the UPS store. So I gotta go find all that. So you guys are gonna watch the way that I edit this whole video. So for you, it might be easy. For me, it's gonna be difficult to edit it all together. So you see, she's tired. So, but I just want to make as full a video as possible. Chelly's also documenting the process of building their apparel as well. But like I said, we're able to play the PlayStation 5. It's super easy, but we want you guys to know that they do more than just game systems. They can pretty much do anything. We're actually gonna be testing out some boards with them. Do me a favor, push this up a little bit. We're gonna be testing, there you go. We're gonna be testing out some boards with them. It's on some pieces of equipment that we have, so we're gonna be testing that out with them, seeing if they can fix it, seeing if they can bring these boards back to life, because that'll be a huge thing in our industry. So yeah, there's a lot of things that we're doing. Super excited to work with you guys. Thank you so much. You made us so happy. Yeah, we love the PlayStation 5. But again, we will be doing more content with them and showing you guys what they can do. So again, if you have any questions, you can just hit the link in the description down below and message them and tell them that Straight Outta Content Flash Custom Transfer sent you. And hopefully you are able to get whatever you think that you need fixed. So for those of you out there who don't know, yes, it's our main business. We print. Our main business is the equipment, selling the equipment and software and stuff like that. But Flash Custom Transfers has been here since 2021. So we print transfers for all different types of businesses, and then we press it onto apparel. That's what we will be doing tomorrow at Houston DTF Transfers. All right, where are we at, babe?
We are at Houston DTF Transfers. We are here to get all this apparel pressed up and going, so they're going to help us out. They have just a better industrial press, quicker, faster, two plates. So we're going to do all that here instead of our one press at the house. So let's go ahead. I'm going to get this all organized. They can have those. So just shout out to Tekkies. These are all your extras. If you have an iron, you can just hit it with the iron. I'll give you those instructions. If you have the heat press, definitely recommend that. But these are y'all's. So let's go ahead and get these measured and pressed. See what we can do. Come down.
Shelly always taking a break. Shelly always drinking. Shelly
Hold
always
on, I'm
drinking.
daydreaming.
All right, so we're about to press up everything. Brian, got the professionals.
Definitely do the professional. There's always another. Woo, hot peel. Never been hot peel.
Tekkies. Let's go.
Got it.
Oh, that was a flip. That was a quick flip.
Alrighty, so we're gonna end Straight Outta Content's video. This is all the apparel for Tekkies. So we got some t-shirts here, a couple of t-shirts, polos for the sales manager, and some hoodies. I'm sure it is cold up there. So if you guys need anything fixed, anything electronics, Tekkies got you. Don't stress it. Tekkies got it. We'll put all the information down below. Tell them that Carl and Chelly from Straight Outta Content sent you. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.